Hello, Turtle Taxi Services. Janice speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to book a taxi for tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Do you have any taxis available then?
Yes, we do. May I have your address and destination?
123 Oxford Street, London. My destination will be Heathrow International Airport.
Thank you. How many passengers will that be?
Just one.
Could I have your name and contact number?
Jimmy Brown. And my contact number is 555-1111.
Okay, Mr. Brown. Just to confirm, you've booked a taxi to pick you up at address 123 Oxford Street, London at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and your destination is Heathrow International Airport. Would that all be correct?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, I have a question about my bags. I have 3 big pieces of luggage that I need to take with me. Would they all be able to fit in the boot of the taxi?
Oh, yes. That shouldn't be a problem at all.
Excellent. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, and have a nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, I'd like to buy a ticket to Boston, but I was wondering how much faster the express train is than the local train.
The express train takes around 3 hours and 45 minutes, while the local train will take you a little over 5 hours to reach Boston.
That's quite a big difference. Then I'd like to buy an express ticket to Boston. Can I do that here?
Certainly. Will that be one way or a round trip?
A round-trip ticket?
And when would you like to depart?
I'd like the next available. When would that be?
The next express train was scheduled to depart at 1 p.m. However, due to some maintenance issues, the train has been delayed by around 20 minutes, so hopefully it will depart at around 1:20.
I see.
And would you like to take coach or business class?
What's the price difference between the two?
Only $60. A round-trip business class express ticket costs $200, while coach costs only $140.
As it's only a $60 price difference, I'll take business class.
Great. That'll be $200 then.
Here are 2 $100 bills.
Thank you. And here are your train tickets.
Thanks.
Your train to Boston will be departing from platform number 5. Hopefully there won't be any more delays. Again, we apologize for the inconvenience.
Well, these things happen. Thanks for your help. Hi, I'd like to buy 4 ferry tickets to Staten Island.
Would that be for 4 adults?
No, it'll be for 2 adults, 1 senior, and 1 child.
Okay. And would you like a reserved ticket or a non-reserved ticket?
I don't know. What's the difference between reserved and non-reserved?
A reserved ticket gets you a confirmed seat. You also don't have to wait in line for very long to board your ferry. On the other hand, a non-reserved ticket doesn't guarantee you a seat. Plus, you have to wait in line for quite a while before boarding the ferry.
I see. How much is each ticket?
For adults, a reserved ticket costs $18, and a non-reserved ticket costs $14. For seniors, which is someone who is over the age of 65, it costs $14 for a reserved ticket and $10 for a non-reserved ticket. May I ask how old your child is?
He's 4 years old.
All children 4 and under are free.
Wonderful.
So, would you like to purchase reserved or non-reserved?
Reserved, no question about it.
Fantastic. So that's 2 adults and 1 senior reserved tickets. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
For which departure time?
I'd like the 3:10 ferry if there are still tickets available.
Certainly. And your total will come out to $50.
Is it possible to pay by credit card?
Of course. We accept all major credit cards. Thank you. Here are your receipt and your tickets. The reserve line begins boarding at 2:45 p.m. just over there by that rope.
Great. Sorry, one more thing. This might be a silly question, but are all the tickets round trip or one way?
They're all round trip.
Fantastic. Thanks for your help.
Anytime. Enjoy the ferry ride.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye!